This tutorial is about this trick. Flourishes. Alright, this tutorial is dedicated to Ashton Masterson because she asked me how to do and explain this trick. So, Ashton, pay close attention because I expect you to learn this trick and then show it to me. Here we go. Flourishes. Well, as you see, when I juggle, I'm using the basic cascade. So, what's different between this trick and the basic cascade is that in this trick, when I catch a club, my hand does a flourish with the club. So it's kind of weird. First, you want to be able to catch the club like this. So normally when you juggle, you catch every club, you catch it like this. But now it comes down and you catch it like this. So now what's going to happen next? I'm going to make a swing on this side and I'm going to make a swing with the club on that side. So this is my right hand, so I'm going to do a swing on the left side, then on the outside, and then it comes back. So I catch the club here. As you see, it makes a circle like this. After full circle, the club goes between my pointer and my middle finger. It flips, and there's another flip like that. So you go 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna turn it this way too. So I catch the club here. It spins like this. Then it falls between my fingers right here. And then it spins like that too. So when you start out learning this trick, you're just gonna take 1 or 2 clubs and you're gonna go boom, boom. Just to train your hand, the muscle memory, what you need to do after catching it. So you go 1, 1, 1. All right, and now the hard part, putting it into the cascade. So you're used to juggling on double spins with a certain timing. Now you're gonna try to increase the holding time. So the time the club stays in your hands, you're gonna increase it. So you're gonna juggle 3 clubs. You juggle 3 clubs and you wait until the very last moment to throw the next club. Because that extra time is gonna give you the time to make the flourish. So, see, I'm juggling the 3 clubs and double spins because that's going to give me the time and the slower rhythm for me to be able to throw in the flourishes. So I'm going to start with the double spin. I'm going to try to squeeze in 1 flourish. Whenever I feel like it, I feel I have the timing, I'm squeezing in a flourish. And when you get really good at it, you can go for every throw as a flourish. But just to build up for the speed to go and put all the flourishes into the pattern, I would go start with just 1. Whenever you feel you have the timing in the cascade on double spins, then you do it. Then you recover from it, then you get your rhythm back, then you do 1, 2. And whenever you get more comfortable, you will find time when you have the time to put in on the flourishes. And then within no time, you will juggling this trick with flourishes all the time. Looks really cool from the side. And as you see from the front, every time I just go inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. And that's how I do the flourishes. Here's another variation. Instead of doing a flourish like this, as a bonus trick, you can also do a move like that. So the club will spin around your thumb. So I start by the club, having like this one, so the handle is going to point out slightly. Then I turn the club like that, it spins around and I catch it. And once you have that one, the same pattern, double spins, you can do these kind of flourishes into the pattern as well. So here are 3 tricks ideas for you to try. So good luck, keep practicing. Hope to see all your videos and Ashton, good luck on learning this move.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.